In this video, I'll show you how to back up your data in Zoho Books, keeping your financial records safe, secure, and easily recoverable. Start by clicking the Settings gear icon in the top right corner of your Zoho Books dashboard. Look for Developer Space or Data Administration. This is where the backup tools are located. Once inside, select Backup your data. Next, choose your preferred file format, CSV or XLS. These formats are compatible with most spreadsheet and accounting software. If needed, you can also include sensitive personal information in your backup. Just make sure to store it securely. After making your selections, click Continue to initiate the backup. Zoho Books will process your request, compile the data, and then send a download link to your email, usually within 30 minutes. You can also retrieve your backup from the Backup History section in Zoho Books, where all past backups are tracked for easy access. And that's it. Your data is now safely backed up, giving you peace of mind and ensuring your financial records are always protected. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more Zoho Books tips and tutorials.